Greetings, YouTube. How's everybody doing out there today? It is beautiful Friday, about 20 till 6. I don't know what the date is today. Might be 24th. I really don't know. 27? I really don't know. But I know it's a beautiful day. It's warm out there, but it's not like scorching hot. Humidity's kind of low compared to this weekend. It's going to get hot this weekend. But enough about me. I bought Fuse Saver Master Kit. There's the number right there. And let me open it up and get you back far enough so I can open it up. This is another one of those kits, guys, that I hope I never have to use. But if you got a fuse that's constantly popping. Now they got Fuse Saver kit. It's got 3 of them in it. 3 of the Fuse Savers in there. I guess it's the popular size or whatever. They're about half the price. This kit was like $200, guys. With it's $200 with the tax and all that. So, all right. Show you what we got here. All right, this right here is the wires that you use for the Fuse Saver. What you do is, guys, you plug this in. You plug whatever fuse you're having an issue with. Say you're having an issue with a 10 amp fuse. Right there's your 10 amp. Okay. So what you do is you plug this here in to whatever fuse. Let's see if I can't get that. Hold on a second. Let me cut that, guys. Let me cut that. I'll show you. So this for the newer ones. That's for the older style. Anyway, you plug this in where the fuse goes. Then you plug your Fuse Saver in this end. And it also comes with pigtails too. It comes with these. More stuff. Let me crack one open. Let me crack one open here. There, so you can see. Maybe you can't see. Try to show you the inside of one. Anyway, you can use them there too. So anyway, guys, you plug this in your wherever fuse you keep having blow. Plug that in. Plug your Fuse Saver in, okay? And then what you do is it'll save you some time on finding the short, guys, because all you do is you just get in there and wiggle the wires around. Go back following with your fuse block, and you just wiggle the wires around. And when you get close to the short, it will trip and it will beep. So, like I said, it's one of those tools, guys, I hope I never, ever, ever have to use. And this is the master kit. But if I ever have to use it, I got it. Actually, the kit's kind of upside down. Everything else. Now, they do have a half-pack kit. It ain't the master kit, guys. It's for half the price. Like I said, this one here was $200. And it comes with all your pigtails and stuff. So you can use them. Use it how you see fit, guys. Like this one here looks like, that one there looks like it's for the old glass style. And so you put that in there, and then you can take and plug your thing in the top of that. Plug this in the top of that. So, but I got it off of eBay, like I said. There's the number. Bit of focus. It's 8016 Fuse Saber Master Kit. I don't know if these are the guys that make them or they're made. They might be made by Lyle. I don't really know. I know for a while there, guys, they were like in the 200s. I seen one for $280, and I was like, eh. So finally, some more showed up on there, and this one here was 190 plus the tax. The shipping was included. So I said, you know what? Now's the best time to do it. I got a few bucks. Now's the best time to go ahead and pick it up. And I also have. I showed you in one of my other videos. My relay kit. So if you ever had any problems with relays, you know, and you might be able to work these two kits together on top of using a meter, a power probe. Probably use power probe with these. Plus also I got some pigtail wires for all different kind of things. I got them. So I think all my electronic stuff, guys, is good now. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna work on getting me a hub grappler and a ball joint tool, universal tool, pretty much same thing. That's what I'm working on next, guys. So I've been busy, guys. I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. It's been a long 6 weeks, and I'm ready to go in the house and go to bed, and I gotta get up and work tomorrow around here. So we had storms come through, and I had a tree branch that broke, and it's laying in my front yard. And it landed on top of one of my cars, but luckily it didn't do any damage because it didn't come all the way down. It like the tree held itself up. So I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get out and get my fruit trees tomorrow and try to catch up on some things around here this weekend. And I gotta work on my minivan. I gotta put a radiator in that. I'm gonna try that Rock Auto. I'm gonna order my radiator from Rock Auto, and I'm gonna see how they are, see how things work with them. So if things work out pretty good, I'll probably start buying my stuff from Rock Auto. The only downside to it is, guys, if I need a part right now so I can get my car running, I'm gonna have to go down to the parts house because, you know, I feel for the parts stores. I mean, because, you know, I need the parts stores too in case I have an emergency and I need something right now. You know, I need my car, so I got to run out and get some brakes or something for it. But they're just getting so expensive, guys. You know, and I don't blame them. But Rock Auto is like killing them on prices. And there's another one out there. I think it's called Auto Parts House, autoparts.com. I think it's called autoparts.com. I haven't looked at them yet. But my radiator, if I'd bought the radiator for my minivan at the store, it was like $300 some. Rock Auto's got it for like $132. So I don't know how much shipping and taxes on it. I have to look into all that, but that's what I'm gonna do because I'm taking my time on my minivan. I don't know if I'll get to it this weekend or not because it's gonna be hot out this weekend. And it's supposed to cool off through next week, so we'll see what happens. But well, guys, now I got the Master Relay Kit and I got the Master Fuse Saber, and I got pigtails in there and probes. I got a probe. The only other probe I'm probably pick up Snap-on's probe. I've been seeing them online, pretty reasonable. I might get one online, or I might see my Snap-on guy and see if he's got one that he took back from somebody. So that's how I got my scan tool. He took it back from somebody, and I got it for a fraction of the cost. I got it for like 20% of the cost. So that's pretty good. I didn't have to pay that $5,000-6,000 for a scan tool. So, and I'm gonna get one more scan tool, guys, because the newest car I got is a 20, and that's the last car I'm gonna buy, a 20. The only way I buy another one over 20 is it's got to have kind of same features as my 20 has, because my 20 don't have all the spy features on it. It does have a camera on it and a black box, but it is what it is. But That's why I'm going back to buying the old cars, because they don't have all this OnStar and all the other stuff on it. So, well, guys, like this video, share it to your social media if you care. I got that off of eBay. I get a lot of my stuff off of eBay, and sometimes I'll get my stuff off of Snap-on Truck, or I might run into the Matco guy, and I haven't run into a Matco guy in a long time, but Matt guy, Cornwall guy, I haven't seen a Cornwall guy in a long time too. So, but I buy a lot of stuff off of eBay because it's cheaper and they ship it straight to my house, so I don't have to go chasing people down. You know, could I bought that somewhere else cheaper? I probably could, but it is what it is. Sometimes I'm sporadic. I've been watching one of these for years, and I'm like, you know what? Now it's time to get one, because they're only going up in price, guys. I remember when I first started seeing these things, they were 130, 140, 150. Some were 170. Now the cheapest ones I'm finding, that's brand new, they're 190. I've seen some that are 230, 260. I'm like, I saw bulk. These here are 190 bucks. I just jumped on it. So, well, guys, until the next time, I hope y'all have a great weekend. I'm going to be busy this weekend, even though it's going to be hot. Got a lot of yard work stuff to do. So, stay tuned for the next video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye.